Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the lesson rational numbers as decimals. Now coming to worksheet 2. Express the following rational numbers as decimals by using long division method. So here we have to use the long division method. First it is 21 upon 16. So 21 divided by 16. 16 how much is 21? This is ordinary division. Okay. 16 ones are 16. Now you finish the digits whatever it is given, so immediately put the decimal. 11 minus 6, it is 5. 1 minus 1, 0. Take extra 0. So if it is you are not getting the remainder 0, you have to put the decimal place and take extra 0. This you have learnt in 5th standard decimal lesson, isn't it? 16 how much are 50? It is 16 3s are 48. 10 minus 8 is 2. 4 minus 4, 0. Take extra 0. 16 how much are 20? 16 ones are 16. Now 10 minus 6 is 4. Take extra 0. 16 how much are 40? 16 2s are 32. Now 10 minus 2 is 8. Take extra 0. 16 how much are 80? 16 5s are 80. If you know the tables of big numbers also, then it is easy for a long division. So answer, it is 21 by 16 is equal to 1.3125. This is by long division. Now coming to 129 upon 25. So 129 divided by 25. You know the table of 25. 25 how much are 129? 25 5s are 125. So immediately put the decimal. 9 minus 5, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Take extra 0. 25 how much are 40? 25 ones are 25. You know 25 2s are is 50. So you can't put 2 ones are. 10 minus 5 is 5. Now here it is 3 minus 2, 1. Take extra 0. 25 how much are 150? It is 25 5s are 125. 25 6s are 150. Remainder is 0. 25 ones are 25. 2s are 50. 3s are 75. 4s are 100. 5s are 125. 6s are 150. 7s are 175 and 8s are 200. Remember 25 table, okay? So the answer 129 upon 25 is equal to 5.16. So it is a terminating decimal, isn't it? Exact, you get the answer. Now the third sum 17 upon 200. So 17 by 200. Now 2 digits, here it is 3 digits. So it cannot be, so put 0 and decimal. Now 17 zeros are, you can write 200 zeros are 0 and all. Otherwise skip that step. Directly put decimal and take extra 0. Now 200 is bigger than 170. So it will be zeros. So 200 zeros are 0. So 170 as it is. Now take extra 0. 2 how much are 16? 2 8s are 16. So 8 zeros are 0. 8 zeros are 0. 8 2s are 16. 0 minus 0 0. 0. 7 minus 6 1. Now take extra 0. 2 how much are 10? 2 5s are. See here 3 digits, here 4 digits. So ask 1 digit and here 2 digits. And ask 2 how much are 10? 2 5s are 10. So 5 zeros are 0. Zeros are 0. 2 5s are 10. Exact. Remainder is 0. So answer 17 upon 200 is equal to 0.085. Now coming to the fourth sum, 5 upon 11. So 5 divided by 11. Now 5 is smaller than 11. So zeros are immediately decimal. And here also put the decimal point and take extra 0. Just like here. 11 how much are 50? 11 4s are 44. 10 minus 4 6. 4 minus 4 1 0. Take extra 0. 11 how much are 60? 11 5s are 55. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. Here it is 5 minus 5 0. Take extra 0. 11 how much are 50? 11 4s are 44. 10 minus 4 6. 4 minus 4 0. Take extra 0. 11 how much are 60? 11 5s are 55. Is it repeating? So it is 50 50. 60 60. Again it will be 50. Here see 4 5 4 5. It is repeating. Non-terminating repeating decimal. Isn't it? So answer, it is a 5 by 11 is equal to 0.4545. 45 is repeating, that is why 0.45. Above 45 put the bar. Answer is 0.45 bar. 45 together it is bar. क्योंकि 4 5 रिपीट हो रहा है, दोनों डिजिट के ऊपर लाइन आने का है. Hope you understood these 4 sums. Long division method. Some are terminating decimals where the remainder is 0. Here it is non-terminating because it goes on continuing. Isn't it? Now coming to the fifth sum, 22 by 7. 22 by 7. So 22 divided by 7. 7 how much are? 7 3s are 21. Immediately decimal point. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 it is 1. 2 minus 2 0. Take extra 0. 7 how much are 10? 7 1s are 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. Take extra 0. 7 how much are 30? 7 4s are 28. 10 minus 8 2. 2 minus 2 0. Extra 0. 7 how much are 20? 7 2s are 14. 10 minus 4, 6. 1 minus 1, 0. Take extra 0. 7 how much za? 60. 7 8 za? 56. 10 minus 6, 4. 5 minus 5, 0. Take extra 0. 7 how much za? 40. 7 5 za? 35. 10 minus 5, 5. 3 minus 3, 0. Take extra 0. 7 how much za? 50. 7 7 za? 49. 10 minus 9, 1. Take extra 0. 7 how much za? 10. 7 1 za? 7. 10 minus 7, it is a 3. Take extra 0. 7 4 za? 28. Is it repeating? It is 10, 10, 30, 30. Here 1 4 2 8 5 7. Again 1 4 it started. Isn't it? So that means it is repeating. Answer, it is 22 by 7 is equal to 3.14285714. So it will be 3.142857. From 1 to 7 you have to put the bar. So answer is 3.142857 full. It is 1 to 7 it is bar. That digits are repeating. Clear? Now coming to the sixth sum, 31 upon 27. So it is 31 divided by 27. 27 ones are 27. Put the decimal. 1. 11 minus 7. It is 4. Take extra 0. 27 how much za? 40. It will be 1 za, because 2 2s are 4, but it will be small. So 1 za 27. आपको याद है डिवाइड करने के वक्त 2 डिजिट रहेगा. फर्स्ट डिजिट अंदाजा लेने के लिए पूछो 2 हाउ मच जा? 4. अगर इधर 2 डिजिट इधर 3 डिजिट रहेगा तो फर्स्ट डिजिट एंड द फर्स्ट 2 डिजिट्स यू हैव टू आस्क. सो यू विल गेट एन आइडिया with which digit, by which digit you can multiply, which digit can be put here. Then you have to multiply and see. If it is not, you have to take 1 digit less, multiply and see. Like that it goes on. So 10 minus 7 is 3. Now here 3 is there. 3 minus 2 is 1. Take extra 0. Now 2 how much za? 13. 2 6 za? 12. 2 6 za? 12. So if you want you can check 27 6 za. It will be bigger only. 6 7s are 42. 6 2s are 12. 13 14 15 16. Now try with the 5. 5 7s are 35. 5 2s are 10. 13. Again it is big. So try with 4. 4 7s are 28. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. So this is okay. You can put the digit 4. This is the rough work. So 4 27 4s are 108. 10 minus 2, 8 is 2. Now 2 is remaining here. Take extra 0. 27 how much za? 220. 22 how much za? 22. At the maximum you can take 9. Isn't it? 2 11s are 22. So 10 11 सब नहीं ले सकते, एट द मैक्सिमम 9. 9 7 जा 63, 9 2 जा 18, 19 20 24. So it is bigger. So 27 8 za 8 7 za 56, 8 2 za 16, 17 18 19 20 21. Yes. So put 8. It is 216. 10 minus 6 is 4. Here it is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Take extra 0. Now 27, how much za 40? It is a 1 za. So 27, is it repeating? 40, 27. Now again 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 minus 2, 1 and 30. That means it will be 4 times. That means it is repeating, isn't it? So answer 31 upon 27 is equal to 1.14814, repeating. Means 1.148 is repeating. 14814. Next will be 8. ये नहीं आएगा. So 1.148. So 1 से 8 तक बार डालो. Hope all students are understanding the method. Ordinary long division, but if it is repeating, the digit जो repeat होता है उसके ऊपर बार डालने का. Now coming to 2 upon 15. 2 upon 15. 2 upon 15. 2 divided by 15. 2. 1 digit. Here it is 2 digit. Immediately 0 decimal. Here put decimal. इधर डायरेक्टली 20 मत लिखो. डेसिमल के बिना डालेंगे तो इट मीन्स 20. It is not correct. 2.0. So 15 ones are 15. Now 5 remains, 0 extra. 15 3s are 45. 50 minus 45 5. Take extra 0. Again it is 3s are. So it is repeating, isn't it? So 3 is repeating. Answer 2 by 15 is equal to 0.133, repeating. So 0.133 के ऊपर बार. Now coming to 63 divided by 63 upon 55. So it is 63 divided by 55. 55, how much za 63? 1 za. 55. Now 3 minus 5. 3, 4, 5. So 8 remains. Take extra 0. 55. Again it will be 1 za. 55. 10 minus 5, 5. Now here it is a 7. Minus 5 is 2. Take extra 0. 2 5s are 55, 25. 2 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, but 5 you can't put because it is 55. Exactly it will be 50 5s are 250, but so it will be take 4. 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20 plus 2, 22. Now 0, 5 minus 2, 3, take extra 0. 5 6 are 30, but you can't put 6, it will be bigger. Take 5. 5 5s are 25, 2 remains. 5 5s are 25, 27. 10 minus 5 5, 9 minus 7 2, take extra 0. Now again it is how much? 5 4s are 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20, 22. Is it repeating? 250, 250, 300, 300. 1 4 5, again 4 5 it will be. Isn't it? 1 4 5, 4 it repeated, next it will be 5, like that. So answer is 63 upon 55 is equal to 1.14545. Repeating, that means 1.145. Now 4 5 is repeating, not 1. Okay, don't put above 1. 4 5 is repeating. Hope everyone understood all the sums of this worksheet 2, question number 1, the long division method. Isn't it? Bye. Thank you. All the best.